Yeah, I think it's something new, it's something nice, and the kind of style Prabhu's given and presented all of us. I think it's been fabulous. I've always been telling him on the set that I think the way you've presented me, it's really fabulous.
I've already told Prabhu sir, I've been his fan since Urvashi Urvashi days, so there's no way I could not do this film when I got this opportunity. I've enjoyed watching all his films and it was great time shooting with him. And I think as far as Ajay sir is concerned, he's one of the most phenomenal actors and the biggest stars we have today. And it was absolutely a delight to work with him. And thank you, Sunil sir, Dhanwani sir, Ajay sir, and Nikhil for this opportunity. Even with Sonakshi, I think she's one of the most sweetest co-stars, Manasve and everybody. So, and I hope that you'll enjoy the movie also as much as you've, I think, liked the trailer.
I mean, it was an honor to be offered a film with Ajay sir and with Prabhu sir and with wonderful producers. It was very difficult for me not to be a part of this movie. And I'm just really grateful. Actually, the first time I met him, I started dancing in front of him just to tell him that, I can dance. So I started doing my moves and all that stuff. Then he said, I won't make you dance in the movie. It's very clear. And then I started speaking. He said, I'll keep your dialogues also to a minimal. So it's made basically a lot of visual humor that we finally decided on.
I'm glad I got this opportunity. Thank you, Gordon sir. Thank you, Prabhu sir. Thank you, Ajay sir. It's great to be a part of such a big film. They've treated me like family. The journey has been wonderful. And I've done my best. I hope you guys like it. Akshi and Yami have been very nice. They've been very sweet, unlike what people would think. And it's fabulous what Prabhu sir does. He's very clear about what he wants. So as an actor, it's very nice to have somebody with such a clear vision. And Ajay sir, of course, he's a darling.
Were you nervous working with them?
Very nervous. In fact, I'm nervous right now also.
जो ये बोलेंगे वही करूँगा, तो वो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था और मैं हमेशा ही करता हूँ वो. आज से मुझे लगता है 20-22 साल पहले आई थिंक प्रभु और मैं मिले थे. प्रभु must be 19 at that point of time. I was 21 or something like this. और मेरी दूसरी फिल्म थी वो, और हम बर्फ़ में एक गाना कर रहे थे. तो उस वक्त मस्ती मजाक बहुत होता था. तो वो गाना बहुत ही रोमांटिक था, उसमें कोई डांस वांस नहीं था. और ठंड में, बर्फ़ में, शिमला में हम लोग वो गाना कर रहे थे. और
कौन सी पिक्चर के दौरान था सर?
ये फिल्म जो कंप्लीट नहीं हुई एक्चुअली, सिंगर करके एक फिल्म थी, ड्यू टू रीजंस. तो हम बार बार हर शॉट के बीच में प्रभु को ज़रा प्रभु डांस एंड शो ना, बिकॉज ही वाज फैबुलस एंड वी वर ऑल लाइक, एंड ही वाज आल्सो एंजॉयिंग इट. तो ही वाज 19, ही वाज आल्सो डांसिंग. तो मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि पूरा बदला प्रभु ने इस फिल्म में मेरे से ले लिया उसका, जो हमने प्रभु को नचाया. इट वॉज फन. इट वॉज इस बार प्रभु ने पहली बार लाइफ में मुझसे रिहर्सल भी कराई. मैंने आज तक लाइफ में डांस की रिहर्सल नहीं की. तो अब वो कितना अच्छा आया बुरा आया वो आप डिसाइड करेंगे. बट आई थिंक प्रभु इज ऑल्सो समबडी हु नोज के एक एक्टर का प्लस पॉइंट क्या है, तो उसको पूरे तरीके से यूटिलाइज करते हैं वो. तो अगर डांस में भी जो मैं कर सकता हूँ, आई थिंक प्रभु ने उसको एक नया एक तरीका दिया है. Yeah, I think the villain of the movie is a big actor from South, which I think Prabhu didn't want to reveal earlier. So he's from South. I think Prabhu will tell something about him.
Yeah, he's from South, and his name is Anand Raj.
You've made Salman dance, you've made Akshay dance, you've made Shahid dance, and now Ajay. So I want to know whom was it most difficult for you to teach dancing?
What a stupid question. Obviously me.
Ajay, आपको कितना time लगा dancing सीखने में?
No, actually we did all the song in 2.5 days, 3 days, no sir?
Yeah, but he's very fast with songs. I think
3 days, 2.5 days, 3 days only.
आपकी बॉडी देखी थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हूँ कि ये 6 पैक एब्स हैं या 8 पैक. तो आपसे
ये ना 6 है ना 1 है. अगर आपने 8 है, ये आपने देखा, ये जितना नेचुरल और रियल होता है उतना है. पैक्स आपको ज़्यादा नज़र नहीं आएंगे, बट एक रियल जो टफ बॉडी होती है और वही प्रभु को चाहिए थी और वही हमने किया. I think that's what everybody's been talking about, and when you see the film, you come to know that it's really different. It's very stylized. Unnecessarily, people are not flying, and it's very raw but very stylized. Sword has not been used since a long time, and when you see the film, you'll know that it is completely different.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.